The Jordan brand Jordan Air Series 2PF arrives as a bold entry that blends performance insight with standout design. Dressed in white, black, light lucid green and pink blast, this model immediately draws attention with its layered construction and energetic color placement. A perforated white synthetic leather base promotes airflow, while black suede-inspired overlays add structure and contrast. Large side cutouts reveal pink mesh underneath, adding depth while improving ventilation during play. Underfoot, a translucent light lucid green sole delivers a modern look paired with a sculpted midsole that suggests motion even at rest. Traction comes from a detailed herringbone outsole built for reliable grip. Branding details elevate the presentation, including a pink Jumpman visible through the heel and a tongue featuring mismatched graphics. Designed with feedback from women athletes, the Jordan Air Series 2PF balances on-court function and everyday style, reinforcing Jordan brand's evolving design direction.